Welcome. Today, we are diving deep into two really popular approaches for weight loss support, citrus burn and Mitolyn. You know, if you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, you're eating well, you're exercising, but you're just not seeing the results you want, then this explainer is for you. We're going to break down why that happens and help you figure out which path might be the perfect fit for your body. Let's get right into it.
So, does this sound familiar? You're eating all the right things, you're staying active, but that number on the scale, it just will not budge. It is such a frustrating feeling, right? It's like you've hit this invisible wall and you just can't seem to push through it. Well, it turns out there's actually a scientific reason for that feeling.
And that reason has a name: thermogenic resistance. It sounds complicated, but it's pretty simple. It's when your body's natural calorie-burning engine, a process called thermogenesis, just starts to become less responsive. It kind of slows down. This happens to a lot of us, especially after we hit 35, and it's the exact problem that both of the supplements we're looking at today are designed to help with.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk a little more about that frustrating weight loss wall. Then, we'll explore two totally different ways to tackle it. Path 1, which we're calling the igniter with citrus burn, and Path 2, the booster with Mitolyn. After that, we'll put them side by side in a head-to-head guide so you can see which one really clicks with your body and your goals. All right, let's start with that feeling, that plateau. You are putting in the effort, you are committed, but you're just not getting the results you feel like you've earned. It's that kind of stall that can really test your motivation. And you know, this is exactly where the idea of metabolic support comes into play. We're not talking about some magic pill here. It's about giving your body the right tools to get your metabolism working for you again, instead of against you. It's about making all that hard work you're already doing count for more.
First up, let's explore path number 1, the igniter. Think of this approach as a way to gently restart a metabolism that's just kind of gotten a little sluggish over the years. And the product here is citrus burn.
So here it is, citrus burn. This one is formulated for that all-around comprehensive metabolic support. The whole idea is to help your body's own natural fat-burning process start firing on all cylinders again.
So how does it pull this off? Well, citrus burn works by directly supporting that thermogenesis process we talked about. It uses this really nice blend of 7 plant-based ingredients, and the star of the show is Seville orange peel. Now, what's really important here is that it's made without any of those harsh stimulants, so you don't have to worry about that awful, jittery feeling. Instead, people often say they notice more stable energy throughout the day and fewer cravings, which is just a huge win. Okay, now let's switch gears to path number 2. If citrus burn is the gentle igniter, think of Mitolyn as more of a targeted booster. It's designed for some very specific and very stubborn challenges.
And this is Mitolyn. As you can see, its purpose is way more specific. It is formulated to smash through those really stubborn weight loss plateaus, especially for folks who are dealing with both age and a significant amount of weight they want to lose.
Mitolyn's approach is completely different. It doesn't really focus on thermogenesis in the same way. Instead, it gets right to the source, your mitochondria. Think of these as the tiny, calorie-burning furnaces inside every single one of your cells. The idea here is that by firing those furnaces back up, you can tackle low energy and a slow metabolism right at the cellular level. It's a much deeper approach.
Now, this is really important. Mitolyn is definitely not for everyone. It's probably not your best bet if you have less than, say, 15 or 20 pounds to lose, or if you can't really commit to taking it consistently for at least 3 months. But it is specifically designed for people between 35 and 75 who have 20 or more pounds to lose and who feel like they are just completely and utterly stuck no matter what they try.
Okay, so we've looked at the two different paths. Now for the fun part. Let's put them right next to each other, head to head. This is where the differences are going to become crystal clear, and you can really start to see which one lines up with what you need.
Let's just break it down. You see, citrus burn is all about general support for anyone who feels stuck. Mitolyn, on the other hand, is a specialist. It's for breaking through those major plateaus. Their methods are different too, right? Citrus burn supports your overall thermogenesis, while Mitolyn goes deeper to boost the mitochondria in your cells. And that means their ideal users are totally different. And check this out, the guarantees. This is huge for your peace of mind. Citrus burn gives you a full 180 days to try it out, while Mitolyn offers a really solid 90-day guarantee.
So now that we've laid it all out on the table, we get to the most important question of all. How do you choose the right path for your journey?
And honestly, this really says it all. There is no single best supplement that works for everybody. The right choice for you is going to be deeply personal. It's all about taking an honest look at where you are right now, what your biggest struggles are, and what kind of support your body is asking for. Before you decide, there are just a couple of final, really important things to remember. With Citrus Burn, you get that incredible 180-day guarantee. That's 6 full months to see how your body responds, which is basically a risk-free trial. Now for Mitolyn, this is crucial. It is only available through its official website. They do that to protect you from fakes and to make sure you get the real 90-day guarantee. And of course, just remember, both of these are here to support your healthy choices, not replace them.
So it all boils down to this one question. What does your body need at this very moment? Are you looking for that gentle, all-around support of an igniter? Or do you need the focused, plateau-smashing power of a targeted booster?
The choice is completely yours. And to help you take that next step with total confidence, we've put the official verified links for both Citrus Burn and Mitolyn right in the description below. Using those links is the only way to be absolutely sure you're getting the authentic product and you're fully covered by their money-back guarantees. Whatever you decide, we really hope this helps you move forward on your health journey. Thanks for watching.